This 2012 Redwood RV Redwood 31SL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Redwood RV is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Sonoma Ridge, coastal trail, V interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 104 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.